Here we have a 2026, it's a Ram Rebel with the 3.0 twin turbo. Customer wants to wake it up a little bit, says it doesn't sound much like a truck, it's pretty quiet. We're gonna give it a little sound, put some bigger tips on there, fill up the gap a little bit, leave the resonators on there, but we're gonna put a Flowmaster Super 10, dual in, dual out. It should give it a little rumble. We'll let you hear it when we get her all done here. As you can tell, it looks a little different. Put the 5-inch tips on there and it fills up the gap in the bumper. Left the factory resonators. Like I said earlier, we were going to put the Flowmaster Super 10 on there. It's a dual in, dual out. And to fab it all in there. We left it all stock coming up front. Factory cats. Should just give it a little wake up call. A little bit of rumble, just what the customer's looking for. Let's see what it sounds like.